Jainism is one of the world's oldest religions, originating in India over 2500 years ago. It was shaped by Lord Mahavir, the 24th Tirthankar, who taught a path of spiritual purity and self-discipline. Central to Jainism is the principle of ahimsa, or non-violence, not just in action but in thought and speech. Jains believe that every living being, no matter how small, has a soul and deserves compassion. The religion promotes 5 major vows: non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, celibacy, and non-attachment. Jain monks and nuns live extremely disciplined lives, often walking barefoot and wearing masks to avoid harming insects. Followers strive to free themselves from karma through right belief, right knowledge, and right conduct, ultimately seeking moksha, or liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Despite being a small community, Jains have contributed immensely to Indian philosophy, art, and ethics. Their message of peace, self-control, and respect for life